You live and learn. This shit. We'll see what we can do today. Another day. Just be patient. I can make $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 the next couple of trades. And if I can get a retracement since it's 10 o'clock, get a good short opportunity. Everything behind FBA fear being average is bigger than just fucking money. You don't need to trade every day. You want to save capital. You want to be able to trade in a week, in a month. So I used to have a Mercedes as my screensaver, and I got it. It's bigger than just a Mercedes. Not every day you're going to get your setup. Not every day is going to be a good trading day. It's looking like we got clear skies for a couple of days, so it's looking like when we move into the penthouse, it's gonna be sunny. You guys gotta understand, I show you the reality. Most people are just gonna record when they go out. Most people are just gonna record when they go out somewhere nice, when they do something fun. No, this is the reality of it, bro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Andre Diaz, a self-employed day trader, entrepreneur, whatever you wanna call me. But the main purpose of these videos is to show you what's possible, to hit all my goals, to change my life, and show you guys how to change your life. Because at the end of the day, I'm no different than you. If I could do it, so can you. Because I'm normal. I'm a normal person. It's just about what I do. I don't know any secret information that you don't know. I know how to make money with my skill sets, and I understand the skill sets itself. It's just about what you got to do to get to that point. So with that being said, I'm about to get active with VIP. We about to see what we could do, about to give value, change lives, and we're gonna see if we can catch some trades. If we can catch some trades, we shall make some good money today. We didn't catch no trades yesterday, but we didn't even take trades yesterday. So it's a W nonetheless. But without all the yapping, let me show you guys that consistency. I post every single day. I'm active every single day, go to the gym every single day. And I'm just gonna show you another one. It's all good. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what we can do today. Another day, hopefully another dollar. Yesterday I didn't make no dollars from this. But we'll see what we hitting for. Yeah, they expect everything. They have too high expectations for losses and W's. You just gotta play it by day, man. Play it by day. Like right now, I'm not expecting nothing. I'm just waiting to see if we're either gonna tap into this 1 hour gap or run this low, and then from there, I'm just gonna see. And if I can get a retracement since it's 10 o'clock, get a good short opportunity, target that low on US 30. Let's see, get this ready. Probably only gonna risk like 500 though. I'm not gonna risk too much. 5 little hundos, see what I could do. We'll see. Price hold this gap. I'm gonna give it a second. I wanna see if it's gonna create a wick. Once it can come down, create a wick, that's when I'm gonna enter. But I don't wanna get in too premature in case it just wants to fly to an all-time high. Because we are at highs. Even though I do wanna see it go down first, 10 o'clock gonna do what it's gonna do regardless. Well, damn. So close, didn't tap the gap or nothing. It's been a zero-sum week so far. You said you got long a couple minutes of experience. We've traded at US 30 at all-time highs multiple times already. Multiple times. This is always at all-time high. Like every year for multiple months, it's creating all-time highs, I feel like. Created all-time highs in July, created all-time highs in August, created all-time highs now in September. We're gonna see. Right now we're back in that stage where we're more than likely to go up for a little bit. So that's good to know though. Getting out of the summer slowness. Even though I'm missing trades, you know, it is what it is. I won't even say I missed it because I never even tapped the area I was going to get into. So no trades. It's another day. Yesterday we didn't take no trades, and today is another day of no trades. It is semi-early, but for the most part we didn't get what I wanted to see. I had an idea on US 30. I wanted to see the longs. It missed it by a couple points. It is what it is. Same thing happened on NAS 100. I wanted to see the longs on NAS 100. It missed it by a couple points. The one trade I was gonna take, the US 30 shorts, I gave it a couple seconds and it instantly proved me wrong. So I just ended up with no trades. Not every day is a trading day, as I was explaining to the team. I was stressing to them that you don't need to trade every day. You wanna save capital. You wanna be able to trade in a week, in a month. Not every day you're gonna get your setup. Not every day is gonna be a good trading day. The trade that I would have taken would have been a loss, and today would have been an L day. A 0 day is better than an L day. I can guarantee you that. A break-even day is better than an L day. No trade day is better than an L day. Appreciate the fact that you're still in the game to be able to make money tomorrow. We still got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just be patient. I can make $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 the next couple of trades. I won't be able to know that unless I stay in the game. So we about to get the rest of our day started. My girlfriend has work at 3 o'clock, so I'm just gonna spend some time with her for a little bit, do little things, and then from there, got the gym, create content, record for the programs, and just do all the work. As you guys know, the main thing you're gonna get when you come to my videos is you're gonna learn something new. You're gonna come to this video and leave more educated and better than you came. So with that being said, let's continue the rest of our day. All right, right now, this is probably loud, but just went to Target. I'm about to go to get some food. About to go to First Watch to get a little breakfast. And then after that, probably just go to the crib. We won't have too much longer before she got to go to work, and then the rest of my day continues. I'm just glad it's sunny out. The sun's out, feels good. I've been wearing my shorts and tank tops even when it was fucking just cloudy and rainy. So you know what? We made it out the storm. We made it. Now we just gotta enjoy the sun because it's supposedly supposed to be sunny again for the rest of my weather.
Oh, that's great.
No, yeah, it wasn't gonna show that. But like I looked at the weather app, it's supposedly gonna be sunny the next like 10 days. So we're gonna see. Should be good. Should be good weather. But I'll see y'all when we get to the food. Look at these. All right, now I'm in the car. Girlfriend's dropped off, and now the adventure begins. So as of right now, I gotta do a couple of things. So I'm not sure if I was talking about this in a vlog or not, but I'm definitely trying to start a clothing brand soon. The whole FBA, everything behind FBA, fear of being average, is bigger than just fucking money. Trust me, it's bigger than money. But what I'm about to do, I'm about to go try to get some all black hoodies, because as you know me, I'm a very plain person. I don't like to wear, for one, other people's like brands besides like people that I know. I wear a lot of people that I know's brand. I wear a lot of my brand, like the FBA hoodie that I had, the FBA Capital hoodie with the brand on it that you guys always see me wear. That was made for my girlfriend. She got that for me as a gift. And besides that, I don't have any other branded clothing when it comes to the brand. So my idea behind this is I'm trying to go to Walmart right now and go get some all black hoodies. Damn, this is a long ass line, but I'm trying to go to Walmart to get some all black hoodies. Then with all the all black hoodies, I'm gonna get some spray paint and I'm gonna have a couple designs. I'm not selling these. These are just 100% for me to be able to wear. But I want to see what I could do. Just be creative with it. Give me something to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to break the bank trying to do this. And best case scenario, I have a hoodie that I actually like. Fuck if a designer made it. If it's actually like really amazing quality. I just want it for the fact that I want my brand. I'm trying to drive over here real quick. I want my brand to be on my clothing. And I want to be able to rep my brand. Fuck if it's $1,000 hoodie. If it's FBA, if it's VIP on it, it means a lot more than what it was made with. Trust. Always remember, it's the meaning behind stuff. Fuck the materialistic stuff. That shit doesn't matter. This car itself, I don't care about it. It's the fact that I had to work hard to be able to get a car that I put my mind to. I used to have a Mercedes as my screensaver, and I got it. It's bigger than just a Mercedes. It's bigger than just getting something because it costs a lot of money. There has to be meaning behind it. Meaning behind everything. That's the only thing that we're here to live for. But with all the yapping, first, I'm going to go clean the car, clean the inside, clean the outside, because it's actually sunny. And if I were to show you guys the weather, it's been fucking shit the last couple of weeks, but as of right now, bro, it's 91 degrees, and it's looking like we got clear skies for a couple of days, so it's looking like when we move into the penthouse, it's gonna be sunny. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta wait the rain out, you gotta wait out the storm, because trust, them clear skies, that sunny sun is gonna come. But yeah, let's go clean the car, then we're gonna head to Walmart. And then from there, we back to work. This shit out there, but honestly, I'm not complaining. I love this shit. And I can't open the windows, so this is the AC it is. But right now, we about to head to the store. I'm either gonna go to Walmart or Target. Probably go to Target first. If Target doesn't have what I'm looking for, then I'm going to Walmart. Hopefully, Target has it, because Walmart just tends to have a little bit of more cheaper stuff. I want a high quality hoodie, but we're gonna see what we can get. This is just a rough draft at the end of the day. We're just gonna see what we do, because I still gotta head to the gym, so I don't want to waste too much time. So let's just head straight there. Yeah, Target's looking like a fail. There ain't no black hoodies. The only black hoodie they have is this one, and this one's flimsy as hell. Whack. Alright, so I ended up getting 2 black hoodies from Ross. We're gonna see how those end up. And I got white spray paint. You know you need your ID to get spray paint? They must have thought I was like gonna vandalize or something. But nonetheless, now we're gonna head to the crib. I'm gonna try to do this stuff with the hoodie. It's mad bright out here, but I'm gonna try to do this stuff with the hoodie, then we're gonna head to the gym and get these gains. Okay, so after trial and error with me trying to play around with getting a little bit of designs on a hoodie, cut off hoodie, I just have it plain. This one I didn't do anything on because I came to the conclusion this isn't gonna stay on the hoodie. I did it on the one hoodie. Luckily I bought 2 hoodies because I figured I was gonna make a mistake. I tried one and it's not staying. It's just wet paint on the hoodie. So right now I just have a plain hoodie. So this one I'm gonna just keep for right now until I probably have to airbrush the hoodie, to be honest. But you know what? Trial and error. You live and learn. This shit, trial and error. That was just a first draft. Listen, you got to try it to find out. I would have never known until I tried it. But now I know. And now I have another hoodie. I'm about to get to the gym now. Mission failed. Let's just go get to work. Today I definitely don't want to be in the gym after yesterday, bro. My body is cooked. I had like a full body and a leg workout yesterday because I had bring my girlfriend to the gym. And bro, my body's cooked. I woke up later than usual and everything. My whole body was just absolutely smacked. But we're here. We're still gonna show up nonetheless. It's way easier to just show up and get a shitty workout versus not show up and get no workout. I'd rather show up for 10, 15 minutes and get my pure necessities than not show up at all. It's about consistency. It's about showing up every day and building the habit of doing something that you don't want to do, building the habit of doing something that's gonna make you improve. Didn't make no money trading today, so guess what? Gotta make up for it with getting some money on my body. You know what I'm saying? That's how you gotta look at these things. This music is loud as fuck. What the fuck? But yeah, as you can see, I'm still in this hoodie. This is just my new black hoodie now, as of right now. I just love being in hoodies. I don't know, I'm just a hoodie type of bull, but I got my headphones on. We about to get this workout. Nonetheless, let's get recording. Let's get busy. For the people that don't work out, go to the fucking gym. If you're watching this right now, do some push-ups. If you're listening to this right now, do some push-ups. If you can't hear or listen and you're seeing me read my lips, do some push-ups. And the hoodie fits the headset inside of it. It's an A1 hoodie. Guess how much this black hoodie costs? $10. You don't gotta wear $1,000 clothes, man. Trust. I have money in the bank saved. I got income. I got skills. Who fucking cares what I'm wearing? I'm still wearing these $10 Nautica little fake Crocs. But guess what? I don't care. And guess what? Nobody else cares. But you know what does matter? How you feel about yourself. So if wearing expensive clothes makes you feel good, hey, go for it. But to me, it doesn't make me feel any better than I already feel on a day-to-day basis, just doing what I need to do. But without all that being said, let's look for a little podcast. Let's look for something to educate ourselves. I'm learning just as much as you guys, if not more than you guys. There's no top. You don't know everything. Just keep fucking going. Keep educating yourself. Keep trying to learn. Because guess what? There's somebody doing better than you. Guess what? There's somebody in a position that you want to be in that knows something that you don't know, that has done something that you haven't done yet, that knows how to do something that you need to know how to do. So guess what? You're not going to know until you learn from other people. That's all information is, learning from other people. I learn what I know from other people, and you're learning what you know from me and also from other people. Just educate yourself, man. At the end of the day, if you consistently educate yourself, it's only a matter of time before you just improve. And if you improve 1% a day, you'll make it a long way. Let's just go to old fashioned Wes Watson. Let's get to work. Back in the crib, the workout is done, but the job isn't done when it comes to the work now. So now I'm about to go to my room, I'm about to get my laptop and everything, and I'm about to start the second part of my day when it comes to creating content. When it comes to the work, I'm about to start recording the programs for basically creating the content to cash program that's going to teach anybody how to take a skill set. If you're a trader, if you're a drop shipper, if you're in sales, any skill that you have that you want to be able to monetize yourself by creating content that you could turn into cash. That's what I'm going to be going over. It's not going to be released anytime soon, but I got to actively work on it. I'm working every day trying to just build to give as much value as possible. If you saw the free course, imagine what a paid course is going to look like. But neither here nor there. I'm about to work on that. I'm going to start editing this vlog that you're watching right now. It's approximately, I don't got my phone, but it's like 6:30 right now. It's still semi-early. The sun is still out, so the work still needs to get done. So I'm about to headphones on, get to work, and just knock it out. A lot of the time, you just got to put that deep work in. You don't got to be deep focused for 5-10 hours straight. 2-3 hours of deep work, just time, attention, and intention towards something, you could do a lot. Trust me, the content that you guys see me make is not like I severely think it out. It's just the little time that I give you guys. I'm very intentional with what I'm saying. I'm very intentional with what I'm conveying. And that's all you guys got to understand. So with that being said, let me get to work, and I'll see you guys probably somewhere. I'm just see wherever the wind brings me type shit. Why y'all in here? Y'all know y'all be fucking up my rugs. Y'all can't be in here. Yeah, you want to apologize, so I bet you do. Get out. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Grab all this. Like, I have this big setup. People always ask, like, about the setup here. Let me put the light on it over here. Like, I have this is not focused at all. I got two 34-inch monitors. The top is a curved 34-inch monitor. The bottom is a not curved, but it's a 34-inch LG monitor. Nothing crazy. I just have them right there. If you saw what was holding these up, you would be disgusted. But honestly, I'm not going to show you just because it's very, very ghetto. But nonetheless, these are screens. And I had this whole setup, and you know what I end up doing? I end up grabbing all of this, grabbing my laptop, and taking this shit over to my bed. Now, when we move, me doing this, get out, dog. When I move, me doing this and going to edit in my bedroom is going to be way different because I'm going to have a view in the bedroom, all of that. But nonetheless, let me get to work. Right now, you're behind the scenes of Andre editing the video, and I just got done recording 5 different pieces for the program. Make sure this focus on my face. I just finished like 5 different pieces for the program. I'll show you real quick. Recorded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right over there. And now I'm going to actually put these into here. I just finished the first portion of the project, getting all like the first just pre-recorded stuff. Now it's time to go actually in depth and show all the actual analytics, show all the actual how-to, the scripts, the blueprints, to actually show how to do it. Most people don't show how to do it. They just speak a whole bunch of bullshit. I put a whole bunch of actually speaking, actually giving the value. Now I'm going to show how to do it, show the actual systems and everything. But about to upload it in there. So far, so good. Nonetheless, just been working all day. It's just another day, another work day. Not every day is going to be fucking eventful. You guys got to understand. I show you the reality. Most people are just going to record when they go out. Most people are just going to record when they go out somewhere nice, when they do something fun. No, this is the reality of it, bro. And people actually care to see it, crazily enough. People want to see the real. They want to know what it's really like, because most people that are rich, most people that are at such a high level, we look at them and think, what do they do to get to that point? What do they do every day to allow them to get to that level? Because we usually think it's something crazy. And usually it's not. They just don't show us. But me, I'm not going to be that person. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis to get to my position. I'm not just a trader. I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm going to be doing everything possible to constantly educate myself, learn new skills so I could teach everybody in the world to do the exact same thing. You shouldn't just be a jack of one trade. You should be jack of all trades. Be a master of one, at least bare minimum. I'm a master at trading, and I'm going to be able to leverage trading into $1 billion. But that doesn't mean I'm just a trader. Trust me. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have them all spread out, because guess what? The sun is going to shine some days. The storm is going to come some days. You want to be able to sustain yourself and be sufficient no matter what. Only the strong survive. If you guys want to learn how to trade, free trading course, free trading webinars, completely free. It'll teach you all the concepts and systems that I use on a day-to-day basis. Now, even though I didn't catch no trades, inside the course is going to teach you exactly what I looked for and what I didn't get. And if you want to learn how to actually get experience, because at the end of the day, a course is going to teach you the concepts, but it's not going to make you a good trader. You're only a good trader from showing up every day, getting experience, following your rules, and building good habits. And the only way you do that is by showing up every day. And if you want to show up every day with me, the team, and so you can take our trades and learn from us, join VIP. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm back tomorrow with another daily video.